Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you guys something really quick. This is the Hapa Kristin Student Kit Special Edition collection, and I really wanted to do a quick video because this promo only lasts for a very limited time. So after I upload this video, it's only gonna last for probably a few more days, so hopefully this video will help you guys really quick. But pretty much this is a limited edition kit set to celebrate Hapa Kristin first anniversary, so it's pretty much their birthday. So Hapa Kristin has been out for only a year, but I feel like I've tried them for so long already because of all the reviews I've done. But again, I will cover all the details right now for you guys, so if you guys see me looking, that's because I have to look at my phone because there's so much info on here. Pretty much with this kit, it will come in, you know, like a box like this if you purchase like at least probably 3 or 2 lens, depending whether you want like a daily one or monthly one. We'll just mention the shipping cost for now, so to put that aside so we can focus more on the kit. So the shipping, again, it is a flat rate of $9.99 USD, but again, if you spend over $75, it will be free shipping. And these are like DHL shipping, by the way, so it's like express shipping. If you spend between $40 to $74.99 USD, then the shipping rate would be $4.99. Let's focus on the kit now. So the kit, basically you can get a few options, but what I'll show you guys is my option here. And so I chose 4 monthly contact lenses, and they're all pretty much the same contact lens because I want to do like a separate full collection video, and these are my Peaceful Kristin collection. So after I release this, I'll be doing a part 2 so you guys can see how the Peaceful Kristin collection look like on me. Then you'll also get a contact lens solution, and then a couple of really cute ass stuff. So this one is like a sticky notepad, and it comes in a booklet like this. And look at all the sticky note. How adorable is this? But yeah, with my work, I use a lot of to-do lists, a lot of checklists, a lot of, you know, sticky pad like this, notepads and stuff. So this is definitely very handy. It also comes with a pen, which I believe that it has like, yeah, 2 different options, and they call this like the O pen. Not sure why, but yeah, I just have to show you guys how stinking cute this is. It's like a flower and just like your ordinary pen, but just very cute packaging. There are a few options for this contact lenses, and so if you order 1 lens, it will come with a solution, or if you order 2 lenses, it will come with the solution and the pen. If you order 3 lenses, it will come with the solution, a pen, and this box here, which is like super cute. Or if you order 4 lenses or more, it will come with pretty much the whole shebang, the solution, the pen, the notepad, and the box. And apparently if you order 8 or more lenses, then you will also get like this really cool ass like school pouch, which obviously I don't have here, but I'll show you guys like a picture as well, and it comes with pretty much everything. The other thing they're doing with the promotion is discount on the lenses as well, depending what you choose. So with the daily contact lens, if you order 3 lenses, you get 5% off, or if you order 4 or more, you get 10% off. Now with the monthly lens, if you order 2 lenses, you get 7% off, 3 lenses 10% off, or 4 or more contact lens 15% off. But not only that, on top of that, if you use my discount code, which I am affiliated, but if you guys use my discount code, you get an additional 10% off on top of the discount that they are promoting as well. How crazy is that? I just thought I'll let you guys know. So for example, if you order 4 or more contact lens of the daily lens, not only you get 10% from them, you also get 10% off my affiliated code. So that means you got 20% off the contact lens. I just thought I'll mention that for you guys. If you guys want to save more, you can definitely use my code and get more discount and probably more contact lens to try, because honestly their contact lens are definitely very affordable to try. Like usually their daily contact lenses cost about $19.99 USD, and then their monthly one costs about $25.99 USD. So imagine how much discount you can actually save, and it comes with this like cute as kit as well, depending on, you know, how much you actually purchase. But yeah, I hope you guys find this video helpful. It's more of like promoting this promo rather than actually doing a review. And I just have to thank Hapa Kristin for sending this my way, because I mean, I love their contact lenses and I'm happy I got the Peaceful Kristin to try, to be honest. So definitely stay tuned for part 2 for my full Peaceful Kristin collection. But I hope you guys find this handy. If you have any questions, feel free to ask down below. But pretty much the promo only lasts until the 9th of November. So yeah, but my discount code do last like pretty much permanent, or until I tell you guys that it stopped. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.